Hi everyone, Celes here. Welcome back to my fitness channel. I hope you're feeling great today. This video is a 10-minute outdoor workout. Each movement is a 30-second work, 15-second rest in between, starting with the squat to overhead press. Sit back down, reaching towards the floor, and switching back up, reaching towards the sky. Repeat this movement pattern with moderate tempo so as to feel hip mobility, leg strength as you squeeze your thigh and glutes on your way up. Maintaining a precise movement and feel the blend on your spine as you reach your hand overhead. Your 15-second rest is for you to prepare on your next movement. Our next movement is the side leg raises. Do this by slightly bending the founded leg, butt out, lift legs on the side, knees face forward, and feel the squeeze on side hips and obliques. This movement strengthens your inner thighs, side glutes, obliques, and promotes balance. Now, we're going to switch and get ready to do the same on the other leg. Again, preset to a slightly bent knees, spine aligned straight, and get ready to start in a few seconds. In this movement, secure the stability of your hips by bracing your core. Avoid the hips to lift up on the side so you get to maximize the muscle to contract for your side glutes and obliques. Repeat the same movement pattern with moderate tempo on the next few seconds. Good. Now, rest and get ready on our next movement. Our next movement is a standing kickback. Preset of this movement is the same with the side leg raises. This time we are focusing on squeezing our glutes and lower back. Maintain a stable hips so you won't hyperbend. Brace core for balance. Now rest and switch to the other side. If you are having trouble with your balance, you can still go for a bar or a wall to help you. Light weight only on your bar or wall so you can still practice and work out your balance. As you can see, hips and shoulders here are stable. Focus on squeezing the glutes and lower back. Maintain a soft bending knees. Now rest and recover. Alright, next is a back lunges to front kicks. This is a compound movement for a more functional workout. Options are to keep your hands on your hips, or you can reach the opposite hand towards your toe to add coordination and flexibility for this workout. Now rest and get ready to the next one. We're going to do the same on the other leg. When you are doing lunges, keep in mind to step far back to bend both knees to 90 degrees. This promotes mobility and flexibility on your legs, while developing leg strength and endurance, as well as good balance. Continue moving for a few more seconds. Now rest and breathe. After this movement, you will feel a slight panting for breath. You may want to seek water for refreshment and hydration. Get ready for our next move. This is the standing heel taps. Stand on a wider stance, bend the knees, and reach the tip of your hand towards the heels. Reach as far as you can without compensating the stability of your hips. Again, the hips should not be lifting side to side, so you may feel the contraction and lengthening of your obliques. This movement also promotes stability for your legs. How was it? Did you feel that? Now rest and prepare for the next move. The next one is the standing cross crunches. This movement is good when you want to work out outdoor but left your mat at home but still wants a good core workout. In doing this, target your lifting knees towards the opposite elbow. You may feel a twist on your mid-back and a crunch on your core as your knee and elbow meets. Do this for a few more seconds. Now rest and preset to switch on the other side. As you can see, chest should be facing from center towards the side. This will allow you to avoid pulling in your neck. Keep your fingertips on your temple, elbow up, and let your knee reach in towards your elbow. Continue the movement and feel those crunches. Rest. Now, we are bringing our heart rate down to prepare ourselves on the last few sets of conditioning movements. Alright, next is a standing twist. Do this by planting your feet on a mid-stance, stable hips, and twist your upper body from side to side. This feels like a Russian twist movement. You may feel it on your upper abdominals, obliques, and mid-back. You can keep your elbow to side or elbow in, your choice. This movement requires precision to get efficiency on your workout. Continue for a few more seconds. Okay, rest and get ready on another recovery movement. Our next movement is also on a transverse planes of motion. Alright, on your normal stance, cross-reach your hands overhead and drive to push your hips to the side where your hand reaches. In doing so, your ankle should also pivoting to create a full range of movement. Repeat the movement for 30 seconds. Okay, down on our last two movements, we are going to keep our heart rate up on our last moves, so be sure to take that rest and prepare. Alright, our next move is the jumping jacks. Secure a soft knees on every landing. Options could be stepping one leg on the side and not jumping. Arms and legs are wide at the same time. This is a cardiovascular movement, so expect panting for breath. Keep an engaged core all throughout this exercise. Secure a soft knees on every landing to protect your knees from the jumping impact. Okay, rest and breathe. Alright, down to our last exercise is a toe taps. This looks similar to jogging, but as beginners, you may want to just put a light weight on your toe that taps forward. Continue with this movement and breathe. Keep going and keep moving. Yes, you are totally doing a great work. Now, let's put on to stretch. Inhale as you reach up. Exhale as you bend your knees down. Now, we're gonna widen the legs by pushing your knees out. Shoulders press down on the opposite side. So you may feel a hip stretch and inner thigh lengthening. Now pull your heels on the back of your glutes. If you're more flexible, reach down. So we're just going to stretch and recover those muscles from the movement. Side stretch. When you do this, make sure the door reaching on the side as far as you can, and switch on the other side. Now reach the toe, flat back, reach up. Good. Reach, flat back, and up. Alright, again, thank you so much for watching this fitness video. I hope you had a great time. You had a great workout with me today. And if you want more of this, you can check out my other videos on my channel, or you can repeat this set for one more round. Now, last part, inhale, exhale, inhale, and down. Good job! Again, thank you so much. This is Celes, and I'll see you on my next videos. Good day!